This is one among the most common reason of wrist pain in mobile phone users and computer users. And also in some women, they put on lot of weight during pregnancy. What will be the health problems to mobile phone users and software people? Let's talk. When you unbox my video, following topics can be seen. If you wish, you can skip and go to your interested topics directly. Well, this video is a continuation of my previous video, software people and their health issues. If you have not seen, kindly check video link in my description and watch it. There, in detail, I have explained about dry eyes. This dry eyes is more common in both mobile phone users and also software people. Moving forward, we will discuss much more about hand, wrist, elbow and the arm pains. Here, when you bend and try to straighten your finger, you will have pain or stiffness or sensation of locking of the finger. This is known as trigger finger. This is also called locking of finger. It results from the constriction of the fibrous sheath known as A1 pulley, and this happens due to overuse or repetitive strain. This is a special and painful condition affecting the tendons on the thumb side of the wrist. Repetitive hand or wrist movements can make the condition worse. The main symptoms are pain and tenderness in the wrist, often below the base of thumb. This condition is known as de Quervain's tenosynovitis. This is one among the most common reason of wrist pain in mobile phone users and computer users. Clinically, there will be inflammation of the common sheath of abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis tendons. This is very interesting. Pain at the lower third of the arm, or specifically outer part of the elbow. It is due to inflammation of the tendons, specifically inflammation at origin of extensor muscles of forearm. It is sometimes seen in tennis players. So this condition is known as tennis elbow. It is also seen in especially ladies who wash the clothes and sometimes squeeze clothes, and also the travelers who carry heavy suitcase. All these problems arises due to repetitive strain. That means, in simple words, repeatedly you will be using the smartphones, or repeatedly you will be typing on keyboards, or repeatedly you will be in front of the system holding a hand in certain positions. So this is also known as repetitive strain injuries. Now we will move on to back and spinal structures. Especially we will discuss about neck pain, lower back pain, and also in some software people, even hemorrhoids. In simple words, piles and anal fissures are seen. So we will discuss about that as well. These are muscles of the back, and this is spine. Spine contains 33 different bones known as vertebrae. In between vertebrae, the blue color structure is known as a disc. That's a jelly kind of structure. The yellow thin structure coming down from the brain and traveling down till the tailbone is spinal cord, which is made up of nervous tissue, and it is protected by vertebral bone. Many people experience neck pain or stiffness occasionally. Sometimes a pinched or irritated nerve in the neck causes pain, numbness or weakness radiating to arm or chest. This condition is known as cervical radiculopathy. Back pain, it is an extremely common human phenomenon. According to one study, almost 80% of persons in modern industrial society will experience back pain at some time during their life. Fortunately, in 70% of these, it subsides within a month. The causes of the low back pain can be so many, but most often it is due to sedentary jobs, which involves lack of exercises leading to poor muscle tone and nutritional deficiencies leading to osteomalacia. And also in some women, they put on lot of weight during pregnancy and later develop mechanical back pain. Now we will discuss about anal fissures. Well, this anal fissure is a very painful condition. It is a small tear in the lining of the anus. It may occur when passing hard or large stools. Most of the time, it is due to sitting for a longer duration or continuous strain or bad food habits leading to indigestion, constipation or hard stools. And sometimes the veins in the rectum and anus will get swollen and inflamed, which causes discomfort and bleeding. This condition is known as hemorrhoid. You should seek medical attention when it is very painful, but the mainstay of treatment remains diet modification and reducing the strain. Watching long hours of mobile phones and also the computer monitor will lead to sleep disturbances, and also sometimes it also leads to depression. And if you are continuously in a closed environment for a longer duration without proper exposure to the sunlight, it also leads to vitamin D deficiency. And this vitamin D deficiency has association with the mood disorders. In our body, we have different rhythms like circadian rhythm, ultradian rhythm, infradian rhythm. Now, we will focus more on circadian rhythm. It is a natural and internal process that are linked to your body's internal clock and your sleep and wake cycle. Circadian rhythms are important in determining your natural sleeping and feeding patterns. In sleep, there are two different categories. One is REM, that is rapid eye movement sleep, and the second one is non-rapid eye movement, that is NREM. This non-rapid eye movement is divided into three different stages. All the three stages are important. In the first stage, your eyes will be closed, but it will be easy to wake you up. This phase may last for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. And in the second stage, you are in light sleep. Your heart rate slows, your body temperature drops, your body is getting ready for deep sleep. In the third stage, this is the deep sleep stage. It's harder to rouse you during this stage. If someone woke you up, you would feel disoriented for a few minutes. During the deep stages of NREM sleep, the body repairs, regrows tissues, builds bone and muscles, and strengthens your immune system. Usually, REM sleep happens approximately 90 minutes after you fall asleep. You can have intense dreams. Usually, sedentary lifestyle is a main cause for obesity and also severe gastric issues. I will discuss more about this when I specifically deal about these topics in my upcoming videos. The solution is mainly lifestyle modification. If you are a heavy smartphone user, you should try to reduce or avoid smartphone use for a longer duration. And if you are a professional who uses professionally computers for a longer duration, you should adapt some standard lifestyle. Like when you are sitting in front of computer, the monitor should be at your eye level. That is known as ergonomic heights. And your spine should be straight when you are sitting. And in between work, every 40 minutes, you should take break for at least 5 minutes and walk around. You should not sit on the chair during the break. And you should make a habit of walking for at least half an hour to 1 hour in sunlight. That helps in synthesis of vitamin D naturally. And you should have a good diet and also follow regular diet timings. For a detailed explanation about this, you can view my previous video about boosting your immune system naturally. And hydrating yourself is very important. Daily, you should drink at least 3 liters of water and regularly do active exercises. Today, as we are facing corona pandemic situation, I would like to add one note. Few percentage of the population who are COVID positive are coming out without any symptoms. But few percentage of Populations whose immune system is at the lower side, they are losing lives. So don't ignore, better follow all the preventive measures. Health is a boon, care for it. So especially I would love to thank all my lovely subscribers. Thank you very much.